Hi everyone, my name is Supreena and I am a hairdresser for 16 years and I've been teaching hairstyling for last 8 years. So today I'm here to teach you or give you some good tips how to do a root touch-up, because there's a lot of people that they're coloring their hair at home. We are buying a box dyes and we're slapping it on our hair, and there's a lot of hairdressers, they're making big mistakes. So I'm here today to teach you how to do a root touch-up at home without a hairdresser, or the hairdressers who are making mistakes so they don't make that mistake. Okay, so let's start. This is my client Lily, so she is going to be a model for today. Okay, so the number one tip when you're doing a root touch-up, just right before you color your hair, never brush your hair. If your hair are tangly and you really want to get the tangle out, take a comb or take a brush, just brush the ends. Do not go on the base, do not go on the scalp. So what's that's going to do? That's going to stimulate the scalp, that's going to open your scalp, and you will feel burning, you will feel itchy. And there's another tip. The day that you're deciding to color your hair, do not wash them. Let the hair be dirty, because we need some natural oil on the hair. We need some natural oil sitting on the scalp, so that can actually protect your scalp from burning, from itching. So I'm going to divide the hair into 4 equal parts. So ear to ear parting. So this is my first part. I'm going to take a clip and I'm going to clip this section. This is my second part, so I'm going to part right across, and I'm going to go to the nape area, means at the back. So this is my second part, and I'm going to go all around. This is going to be my third section, and this is my last and fourth section. Here we go. So we always start touching up where the hair are more resistant and they need more time to process. So suppose there's a lot of gray in the front, so we're going to take our color. So see how I'm taking a color? When I'm lifting the color, my other side of the brush needs to be clean, like this. Okay, we're not taking too much product. So if you're using, another tip here, if you're using a dark color, so the color is dark black, brown, dark brown, medium brown, you can always apply a Vaseline or any moisturizer around your hairline so you don't get the color on your skin. And then when you wash it, it can be easily washed. Make sure you always wear gloves. I'm not wearing one because I'm only using conditioner here. Okay, I'm not using color. So in my next video, I will show you how to mix color. But this is just a conditioner, just to show you. So suppose my hair are gray right in the front hairline. So I'm going to start coloring it right here. So we're only going to color the new growth. We're not going to touch the hair which is previously colored, because if you keep on applying the color on the previously colored hair, the color is going to keep on going darker and darker, and you're going to have a line of demarcation. So you're only going to apply, if your roots are 1/2 inch, you're only going to apply on 1/2 inch. If your roots are 1 inch, you're going to apply only on the 1 inch. So it depends. Like, you know, some people, they color their hair in 10 days. So they have 1/4 inch. So only going to apply on 1/4 inch. Okay. So you have gone there. We're going to go right in the middle and we're going to just touch up. You do not need to touch up. You do not need to put too much of a color. Okay. So then you're going to go this way, right here, right here, here, right here. You're going to go in the middle again, and then I'm going to release this section. Okay. Somebody can always help you with the back. If you can't reach to your back, you take a help from your husbands. Okay. So here we go. Here we go. Okay, now coming back to my section. So this is my 4 section. Now I'm going to take subsection. So how big my subsection should be? Only 1/4 of an inch, quarter an inch. So basically where I'm taking a see-through section. Right here, it's a bit tangly today. Here we go. I'm going to take my color on the brush and I am going to go like this. See-through sections, thin sections, nice and even, see-through sections, nice and even, and I'm going to go everywhere, right? I'm going to go everywhere. So never ever apply the color like this. Never ever do that. Okay, when you're applying the color, you're only going to take a thin section, see-through section, and only the new growth. Okay, because if you keep on applying like this, your hair are going to get every application, your hair is going to get dry, right? And then you're going to complain, my hair feels very dry. So keep on taking thin sections, 1/4 of an inch section, and keep on applying the color only to the new growth. So I'm going to finish this section and I'll come back soon. Okay, I'm back. So I'm done applying the color to Lily and she's very happy and relaxed. Okay, if you notice that all these lines you can see. So what I mean to say, never ever tie their hair like this. Why? Because if we tie the hair too tight, the color is going to expand. And then again, we're going to create the line of demarcation. So let it hang loose. And if you see any color around the hairline, you take a tissue paper and then you wipe it out right away. I'm going to clean all the extra color around her face, around the ears. And if you want, if the color is too dark, you can just take a tissue paper and stick it here so the color does not touch the ear. Okay, so now if it's a fine hair, you can wait for 35 minutes. If it's a medium to coarse hair, you can wait 40 to 45 minutes. Depending on the color company that you're using, just follow the manufacturer's direction. So once the color is processed, you take the client for a wash, okay? So make sure all the grays are covered nicely, okay? So when you're washing, when you're ready to wash, you take the client head back, okay? You put the water, don't just put the shampoo right away, okay? Put the water, rinse the hair nicely with the warm water, rinse, and then remember, if there is any color left on the skin, you can cut the color with the color. So what you do, you just take and you just emulsify the hairline nicely. You just go emulsify the hair nicely so color can cut with the color. And then when everything is rinsed, then you start shampoo. Just don't rinse and put the shampoo. Rinse it nicely, make sure all the color is out. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel for more tips.